Quick demo. Say hello, guys. So we got a cabinet. They want it on a pole. A lot of times people will give resistance, but that's okay. Bridge cable, we do it all. So we're gonna show you the start out piece is strut, threaded rod, some washers and bolts. Now you could be old school and just do a hacksaw. So we have a threaded rod cutter, which is beautiful because when it clamps it out, it keeps the threads of here that we need. Bandsaw, you could use a hacksaw, but let's use our brains. So again, we're gonna measure this out, make a structure, and then get the cabinet up there. We also have weight considerations. And then we're gonna show you how we mount this guy. And this particular cabinet just slides right off. So let's begin, we'll show you the finished product. All right, so here we have the completed rig. We're gonna put it up, feet up in the sky, but first we're just gonna make a template because then we'll just use the lift on there. So you have this like a sandwich. So the pressure with the threaded rods is gonna squeeze this together. So what we were able to do is they already had the holes for the mounting. So we just put our toggle bolts in there, or you can actually just use the threaded rod as well if you wanted to. So the cabinet is staying on the unistrut. So it has two different contact points, and then the threaded rod is going to sandwich everything. So basically you just need, and at the end product, so a lot of threaded rods, washers, and we're gonna put a washer and a threaded rod, and then that way it's gonna tighten it all up. So that's the completed look to it. And then we'll button her all up and they'll take a picture of it mounted.